Hello beautiful blockchain people, that's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the prices of the major cryptocurrencies according to the site of CoinGecko. And as we see, the market has recorded a decent, I would say, intraday price increase for the last 24 hours. So it seems that probably this is the end of the correction that started earlier last week. And I want to say that today is Wednesday. That's why let's analyze the price chart of Cardano. Yesterday we analyzed the price chart of Ethereum. On Monday we analyzed the price chart of Bitcoin. So let's have a look at the price chart of Cardano and figure out what's going on in the different time frames. The current price is 2.57. So let's move to the price chart of ADA. Of course, we will start from the monthly time frame, but before that, let me remove all these unnecessary elements. So this is the monthly chart. The current price here is 2.52. We're very familiar with this price increase that started earlier this year, followed by some kind of, let's say, consolidation. That was very volatile. After that, in August, we had a solid bullish candlestick. So that was a bullish signal. And now we have this candlestick that has a bearish body. It is in the upper bound of the body of this bullish candlestick. So to some extent it confirms, let's say, the bullish signal. Moreover, we have a local high above the previous ones and a local low above the previous ones. So definitely this is a bullish signal, but this candlestick has a bearish body. And of course we have to know that we're in the middle of the month. The candlestick may change, but in my view, if we have exactly this candlestick at the end of the month, this will be either neutral signal or a bullish one because of the renewal of the local high and the local low. And neutral, let's say, because we have a bearish body, and in the worst case, probably we can witness some kind of broad, let's say, consolidation. Now let's move on to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. This is the price increase followed by a consolidation, another price increase, then a correction took place, followed by some kind of, let's say, consolidation. And now we see that it seems that, let's say, this is the renewal of the uptrend. But last week, this really very interesting candlestick formed. So it engulfs, it has a bearish body, it has a local high below the previous ones, a local low below the previous ones, and it engulfs the bodies of these two candlesticks. So definitely this is a bearish signal, and we have to be really very careful. So this is a bearish engulfing, not the perfect one, because theoretically it looks like a bearish engulfing, but it's not exactly a bearish engulfing. But this is a bearish signal, so we have to be really very careful. But also, if the body of this candlestick was a bit smaller, let's say like this, although bearish one, it would have been, let's say, a hammer. So it is a candlestick that usually it takes place usually at the end of some correction. That's why this is a little bit tricky situation where we can choose between these bullish and bearish signals. That's why I would like to say that we have to wait and see. Of course, we have to be really very careful because of the descending local highs, but it's not 100% sure that this is the, let's say, this is the beginning of some deeper correction. So we have to constantly keep an eye on the price chart. Now let's move on to the daily chart. And this is the daily chart. Because of this correction that started, let's say, earlier last week, and now we probably have consolidation, the price has already tested the previous local high that formed in May. So this is a psychological support. Also now, let me add the two key moving averages. So we will add the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. And of course, the 90-day moving average, or for the period of 3 months. So this is for the period of 3 months. So we have these two moving averages. A bearish moving average crossover took place here, a bullish one took place here. So Now the faster one is above the slower one, so this is a bullish signal. But we can see that the price has dropped below the 30-day moving average and has received support at the level of the previous local high. So now theoretically we have some kind of support here, but if this support fails and the price drops below this support, the next support level, solid support level, is at the level of the 3-month moving average or at the level of 1.80. But of course I won't exclude an uptrend renewal from here. So theoretically we have a solid support here, so either this scenario is likely or this one. Of course, the price can just start to consolidate, but in my view it is more likely that we see some kind of price rebound in the near future. So that's why I would recommend to analyze the shorter time frames, because there are some, let's say, ascending channel there probably, or bullish or bearish signals, and then we can figure out if in the daily chart, in the weekly chart, we will figure out which scenario is more likely. So now let's move on to the 4-hour chart, but of course I will first remove all those elements. Now let's move on to the 4-hour chart. So this is the support level at the level of the previous local high. And now if we have a deeper look, let's say, or analyze in detail the price chart, here we had something like ascending channel, or this is, let's say, the uptrend. And now the price is experiencing or undergoing some kind of correction. So let's say that this is a kind of descending channel, so probably we have something like a bullish flag here. So this is probably this bullish flag, and now I would like to say that it's obvious that the price is declining within this bullish flag. So within this bullish flag, or in particular this descending channel, but if the price receives enough support at this local high and rebounds and exit the bullish channel in the upward direction, definitely some traders will start to enter the market here once the price chart exits the bullish flag. So this is the bullish scenario which I will follow, and in case, let's say, Cardano or ADA exits the bullish flag, then I may open some speculative, let's say, long position. Of course, if the price continues to decline within this descending channel of this bullish flag, I will wait until it exits the channel in the upward direction. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view on the price chart of ADA as a comment below. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. It was me again at CryptoSpa.